A glamping tent differs from a traditional camping tent that are typically more spacious and durable and often benefit from sitting on a rigid platform. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best glamping tents available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Dreamhouse 3-Season Pyramid Tent. If you're looking for a budget glamping tent, a tent for kids, or a cute photo prop, Dreamhouse 3-Season Pyramid Tent is perfect for you. First off, this tent is strictly for fun, and it's a 3-season, fair-weather tent. The pyramid shape is charming, and the peak height is well over 6 feet, but the sloped walls diminish the usable space inside. This tent sleeps 3 people, but at 49 square feet, the interior floor space will only allow for a few glamping accessories. The Dreamhouse uses 4 sturdy steel poles for the framework, and DreamWork has a very responsive customer service reputation. Finally, the Dreamhouse is relatively lightweight for a canvas tent. Number 4. White Duck Avalon Canvas Bell Tent. The White Duck Avalon Canvas Bell Tent is one of the best tents for glamping and luxury. The Avalon is one of White Duck's premium canvas bell tents, and the feature that stands out about the Avalon is the mesh windows along the sidewalls. Half-moon-shaped windows surround the entire tent, giving the tent an airy vibe. But you can zip them up in bad weather. White Duck uses a heavy-duty 10.10 ounces Army duck treated with waterproof, mold-resistant, and UV finishes. This waterproof cotton canvas has double-stitched seams with reinforced corners. As you can expect with luxe canvas tents, the Avalon has a silicone-coated stove jack, plus roof vents for added breathability. You can easily fit 2 queen-size beds or 6 in sleeping bags in the Avalon. One nitpicky thing about the Avalon is that the door height is 5 feet 10 inches, so your tall friends will have to duck to get in. Number 3. Bushnell Shield Series Instant Cabin Tent. There aren't many tents with AC ports, but if your glamping trip gets swampy, you may need extra ventilation. Check the Bushnell Shield Series. The Bushnell Shield Series is a large tent, but they also have a 6, 9, and 12-person version. Forget sleeping pads. This tent can hold 3 queen-sized air mattresses. Since the Bushnell is a cabin tent, the vertical walls make it feel extra roomy. The Bushnell has 2 AC mesh AC ports to keep the tent at a livable temperature. The Bushnell has plentiful mesh windows to help ventilate when the AC isn't running. As a budget-friendly tent, the Bushnell is only suitable for 3 seasons, and I wouldn't expect a hurricane in this tent. This straight-wall tent has separate rooms, which is excellent for privacy, but they don't zip at the bottom. Number 2. White Duck Regatta Canvas Bell Tent. The White Duck Regatta Canvas Bell Tent is a staple among winter glamping tents because canvas bell tents are aesthetically pleasing and have the ability to put a wood-burning stove in them. The Regatta is a 4-season tent with a stove jack. The 5-inch stove jack port in the ceiling accommodates a double-bell. Tents typically have short sidewalls, which mean you'll be ducking if you want to utilize the entire floor space. The Regatta, by contrast, has a 2 feet 7 inches tall sidewall, taller than the industry standard. One issue with the Regatta is that the material gets thin with extended use, especially in the sun. Number 1. Kodiak Canvas Flex Bow Canvas Tent. If you're interested in a glamping tent with a traditional tent shape, you should look at the Kodiak Canvas Bow Flex Cabin Tent. Kodiak uses thick, 10 ounces Hydra Shield canvas, a duck canvas with a silicone waterproof finish. Kodiak uses high-quality X zippers that won't stick or snag. This tent is huge and sleeps 8. The Bow Flex cabin has a peak height of over 6 feet tall, which is supported by a sturdy steel frame. As a true 4-season tent, you can certainly use it during winter, but the thick fabric on the 4 walls will also protect you from the summer heat. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.